Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to send disappearing WhatsApp photos on iPhone. Please watch the video till the end. Write comments. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, you need to go to WhatsApp. Then open the chat room. In the bottom left corner, press plus. Choose a photo. Click on any photo that we have chosen. And here at the bottom we will have, before you send a unit like this. Click here. It says photo set to view once. Click send. And now we send the photo and the person will be able to view it just once. He will not be able to take a screenshot, save it. He'll see it, he'll close it, and he won't be able to see it again. This is the simple way you can send disappearing photos to WhatsApp on your iPhone or iPad. If you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you all very much for watching. Goodbye.